be sure to like our videos and subscribe so that we can make more videos like this. Welcome to another edition of Red Screen Ninja. This is a new game that we're playing on. I believe it's made by GoldStack88, and it's an Asian New Year game. I guess it's called Lunar Festival. There's different variations on this, but this one was at Riverwind Casino, and it's by a pole over there by the middle entryway there, next to the ATM machine. And there's probably about 5 machines in circles that this is built around. And if you look at the beginning of it, there's a grand, a major, a minor, and a mini bonuses, and it all shares within only that 5 machines. So if you were to hit a bonus round and you were to hit a minor of $39 you see there, then it would reset back to the minimum. And as you can see, the minor and the mini has been reset to the lowest, while the major and the grand. So you get into this bonus round where you're supposed to select 3 icons that matches and you win that prize. And I guess the fun thing with this machine is that it gives you the illusion that you are going to get one, because it gives you 2 grand, 2 major, 2 minor, and then right at the end, it always gives you a mini. And no different with this. I got a mini for $15 plus a $10 bonus on top of that. So $25 win every time you enter this bonus mode at the minimum. And of course, if nobody hits it, it goes even higher. But because this mini gets hit the most, it's always around $25. The minor is around $60 or so. And of course, the major on this one was about $3,000-4,000, and of course the grand jackpot is $25,000. Earlier I was on $2 play, and there's I believe 5 different denomination. There's 88 cents, $1. I think $1.60. Then you got $2, and then you also have a $5.28 that I'm playing on now, and you also have an $8.80. And in the Asian culture, the number 8 is very good luck. So most of these games that you play, they always have a lot of 8s in their bets. And but this is a $5. This is second to the max bet here, and I put in another $100. On a different same machine, but I put in another $100, and this one I built it up pretty a lot more than I did prior. But of course, you got to connect, just like all the 5 reels here. I know it looks confusing, and I'm still confused, but you have to go from left to right. Doesn't matter which order it is, as long as you're connecting from left column to right column. And if you get all 5 of them, then it pays well. And if all of the patterns are filled up, then it pays even more. And if you see this gong pattern, those little bells, those gongs, if you get 2 gongs in a row, and a symbol or something like that, then it goes into a bonus round. So there's a couple bonus rounds on this. The gong bonus gives you multiple spins, and just like and then you see these coins with those faces with that the guy. You see these coins here? It drops these nuggets in coins, and just like previously, when you build up, every time it drops the nuggets in a coin, that pile of coins gets higher and higher, and it's almost like a bonus round that's waiting to explode. So if you're sitting at a machine and you see one that's really low versus one that's about to explode, that's piled up like this, then play the big pile one. But it throws these coins to it, and then that rumbles. It grows and grows and grows to where, once it gets to the tipping point, just like the beginning of it pours, and you go into the jackpot. You go into the bonus round where you're matching those 3 symbols. I wasn't doing any well on this $5. It just kept going up and down here. So midstream to this, I ended up switching my bets to max bet, I believe. And just like this, you see how it matches all the way from fish to other fish. This paid out pretty decent. If that girl's face there and the J below all matched up, I think you do that on max bet, you win the total grand as well. But this brought me up to $217, and it's double my money there. And this is a very entertaining game. I noticed that a lot of people were hitting these machines to Riverwind's, their Facebook page, showing a lot of people win off of this, and they're winning off of 88 cents bets and small amount of bets, because I guess it doesn't matter what denomination. If you were to match it and and you hit 3 symbol of the grand, you're gonna win it. So you don't have to play max bet. But max bet, when you hit these small symbols here, and when it's rolling out, it does pay a lot bigger than what you would get on 88 cents. Now from this point on, I end up pressing the max bet button of $8.88, hoping that I can land something big and quadruple my money here. And I managed to get some big nuggets in the pile, which gave me another bonus round of that matching game. And from this point on, it did pretty well. So watch the rest of it, and I hope you guys like this video here. We'll try to do more new gameplays, just so that you guys can see more games that's out there. But like our video, subscribe if you already haven't, and give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for some more videos. Have a good day, guys. Now I cashed out right at $500 here and put in a new $100 bill, just so I can stay out of trouble. And you should do that too.
Table, Ashley Connor.
That will do it for this episode, guys. If you guys haven't checked out our other videos, please do so. And click subscribe right in the center here if you have not. And stay tuned for more videos to come. Have a good day.